We need you. Your opinions. Your ideas. Your experience of business and society in all its colours. For the Society Hub podcast. The University of York exists for public good. So, instead of giving all the lectures to the public, we want the public to tell us what problems need solving for public good. Our Society Hub podcast is where members of wider society discuss what they think are the most relevant themes today. You will hear people from all walks of life whose work has made a contribution to society's development. You will hear from the young and old, from people of all colours and all stripes, from the volunteer to the pioneer, the domestic care worker, the HR executive, the business leader, the sex worker, the ex-serviceman. Often people who rarely get a voice but have lots of knowledge and ideas. Always insightful, independently minded people talking about what they know, based on their lived experience. People who have reflected upon how to make society better and who have acted to make the changes they want to see. Each episode is different, and we link to downloadable resources. Check out our list of speakers, past and present. And of course, if you have a suggestion for a future speaker, then let us know.